say, aye. Put on our place. All you want to put on our place. Come here, my daddy. Put on our place. Once everybody put on them lion pass up. Listen to the general. One of us. On the ready. Yaka, 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 yaka. Come and see some lion pass. Yaka, 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 yaka. Oh, them are going to get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Yaka, yaka, yaka. Leave it alone. It's a lion paw. And some man and still on their pocket. Portland on the ramp with me. Once you're on Portland, Tony, make me see the man them was strong like a lion. They do not have to please Jack in a lion. And the man will pump another man like a lion. Never go as lion. Never go as lion. And the Lord tell me what she done with Brian. She don't want Tony. She don't want Ryan. And you can live it like a love in the neck. Hold on, hold on. Let me tell you about round here. This is man that you take your leg can't go round here. You put it up. Portland. Watch out. When me say every man fear my woman, some people vex with me. Only for vex. But tell them say me not stop say so, and me can't stop say so. Every girl fear my man, and me not stop say so. Me not stop. Okay, judgment start right here, so. Chichi man now not talk right here, so. You man, you want shot back right here, so. Boom, boom, that jump and all blast right there. Who do not see? Be a girl pass right there, so. Your last one, you better ask right there, so. Hold on. Remember pass right there, so. A girl that take off her trousers. Holy man will I say last year. One woman them there. What if big up big hand on the side, cause of them took the best. Alright. If your girl can't bend over on the doggy style, don't listen. Me girl on the side, cause of them took the best. Tell me love this something what them girls are possessed. Right now things are manifest. My wife won't feel left. Me tell you this. My baby mother friend them a blow like a star. Come in like a Portland girl them a go on. Tell her when we regular round now be a farm. Don't say I'm gonna be a regular. What? Let me see the young them if you're living in style. If you're gonna be a child. Whoa! Yeah. I'm in our shelter. Hold on. I want to tell you something. From one day, let me tell you something. What the 90s baby them, I'm a solo man. Yeah? The 90s baby, I love you. What the 70s and 80s baby them there? Look over there, sir. Listen to this. You see them woman there? Let me tell you something about them girls there. You see in the 90s and the 80s, real bad girls defend themselves. Them go up on social media and fling word like stone. Let me tell you something, Lee, right now. Some girl them full of big speech and the back can't take away. I mean action talk. And it's service pop. Sometimes, real girl, watch you. Boy, some girl them full of big speech and the back can't take away. I'm a nice stuff, but I'm a tell them. Oh, remember? Hold on. Action and a lead. By 20 furlong, they can't get your speed. You demand want and I give you one need. So you have to that 20 miles to my sleep. Hold on, watch it. Pull up. Yo, what a lady bad. And what a gentleman mad. No, a madam bad. Yo, once you all the hands of my love Daryl Vaz, trust me. You see this way him do? $1 million have to pay for artists like you. And the boss bring it to the free. So guess what? Show love and appreciation. Hold on there. No. You know, so me have mission for go pan. I just landed in Boatwell yesterday. And I know so me have to come do this tonight. And then go fling another spear somewhere. So guess what? Some girls see me and think me's a nice Madino. Me no nice. Me no nice. Sometimes. Drop that one there. The girls them say they want dogo. Yeah. Alright. Think me nice. But like me right now. Just show me smooth like a silk and sand now. But like me this that. Anyway me see woman me skin catch a fire. But like me right now. Just show me smooth like a silk and sand. They stay they think me nice. But like me this that. Over yourself. Start. Tonight you touch your road, you better get a girl. You know say the more you're gonna Port Royal. Tomorrow night me want a new goat. Me a go book a one room road and a road. Dorothy blues up the small waist. Me say she a flea but me now watch the face. Mix it fat and me want her. And me have to get mixed cause she love pretty car boy. Baron come and the key have new dress. See a grown that so she dressed to impress. Because she say she a deal with progress. Give me what me promise her 100 US things me nice. Voila. Whoa. Hold on there. Make her take a breath. A fresh air. You alright, my people? Portland is my place. Some of you might not know my face. But listen me. We keep stage show at Portland from 93, 94 come right up. Till Bling Dark, till Louis Culture. You understand me? Yes, sir? Our place, Swift River, Buff Beer, Natta Beer, Orange Beer, Oak Beer, Sentence Beer. All of the beer them don't know how we stay. See me? Say to the girls, I know, say listen me, let me tell you something about Portland woman. You look good. You look sexy and strong. Yes. I know say the good yellow yam. Look what them done. But guess what, man? You don't have to take care of yourself. Drop that one for them again. Father, no, listen. The medicine. Yeah. Hold on. Some y'all want man again. Oh, my mind. Frisco, get them. Tired, but it's not the water. Medicine. One more. Represent for Father Vaz. Action and Reagan, big up yourself, you know I'm a big brother for life. You know teaching me say no, anywhere we go, straight. You understand me? So you are going now. Now I'm going to burn out some little dirty bad mind people, boy. And listen me. You see Portland people, I love that togetherness here. I don't hear no much crime going around here, I want to keep it that way, please and thanks. You understand me? Proud on yourself. Clap on yourself as a matter of fact. Clap on yourself. Well done. We have to acknowledge it. So you see who bad man I want to come mash up that something here. Me have one thing for you ask them. Drop the coolie dance. Sergeant Wallace, pick up yourself over there. Are you ready for more now? And tell me why. Them all love is doing. Them all love is in it. Them two basket big carry. Them take what I weak, but it's still get stronger. Alright, and tell me why. not sorrow back with anger. Pass if you born a double crosser. And if you born a do you never forget respect? Respect. We don't say disrespect. Respect. What's up to the man? Check. So in the good trend we set. A boy must smell them dead. Don't come gamble and bet. Send watch it on internet. Net. Call up with him and a friend. So can you tell me why? Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Alright, well on there. Let's give me the joyride. May I tell you something before we leave? Protect on yourself here. AIDS a kill people. Gonorrhea kill people. When the one come out there again, chicken gunner. Condom stop that one, them no know. You have to try still. Yeah. Condom can't stop when you're chicken gunner. No. Condom can't stop COVID. No. But still go with the condom. I'm loving them. Thanks for your appreciation. I don't know Frisco kid love Portland and Portland love Frisco kid. All of the warriors them pick up on themselves. Just drop the jar right to me. Hey! Alright! We just want to do we have something like this to me. We have to do something to me. We have to do like this to me. Take it all over, you got to. A lot of man now get the loving tonight. Oh! A lot of men now get the loving tonight, yeah. But do remember, if you get some vagina, man, no left your rough rider. That disease a take over. Pass up to the sex. Most of you call for Jacqueline, but they have a job for my robbers.
Frisco kid. What you mean? Want to cover Jacqueline? Supposed to hold my nose, you know. I tell you. From me, want to go that, you know, long that Jacqueline supposed to hold, but so go. Man of them. Everything of them, you understand me? Alright. Big up on yourself. Frisco.